Is what you're seeing real? This image wasn't taken by a photographer. It was created by an AI. And this song? Not composed by a human, but by an algorithm. Welcome to the new creative revolution, where the line between human and machine is blurring faster than you can hit like. For decades, we believed creativity was a uniquely human trait. The soul, the emotion, the spark of genius. Surely a machine could never replicate that, right? Well, think again. Today, with just a few lines of text, AI can generate breathtaking masterpieces that could hang in a gallery. From surreal dreamscapes to photorealistic portraits, the artistic possibilities are exploding. Look at this split screen. On one side, a painting by a renowned artist that took months to create. On the other, an AI-generated piece that took mere seconds. Can you reliably tell which is which? It's getting harder every day. This isn't just about pretty pictures. Let's talk about photography. We used to say the camera never lies. Now, it can create truths that never existed. AI can generate hyper-realistic photos of people who aren't real, places that have never been built, and events that never happened. This technology is already changing everything from advertising to journalism. Imagine creating the perfect product shot without a studio, a camera, or even the product itself. The implications are massive, both exciting and a little scary. It forces us to question the very nature of authenticity in a world saturated with digital images. And then there's music, the universal language. For centuries, it's been the soundtrack to our lives, composed by passionate individuals. Now AI is entering the studio. It can analyze thousands of hit songs and produce original compositions in any genre you can imagine. From epic orchestral scores to catchy pop tunes, the machine is learning the formula for what makes us tap our feet. Listen to this piece. It has rhythm, melody, and harmony. It evokes emotion. The crazy part: no human hand ever touched a musical instrument to create it. An AI composed every single note. So what does this mean for the future of entertainment? Let's look at Hollywood. Movie production is a colossal undertaking, costing millions and involving thousands of people. But what if an AI could write the script, generate entire virtual sets, create digital actors that are indistinguishable from real ones, and even compose the score? We could see personalized movies tailored to our individual tastes, or epic blockbusters created by a tiny team in a fraction of the time. The director of the future might be more of a curator, guiding an AI's creative output rather than commanding a massive film crew. This isn't a distant sci-fi fantasy. The tools are here, and they're evolving at an exponential rate. Every day, the AI gets smarter, more nuanced, and more capable of producing art that truly moves us. This raises some huge questions. What is the role of the human artist in an age of infinite, AI-generated content? Does art lose its value if it's not born from human struggle and experience? Or is this simply the next great tool, like the camera or the synthesizer, that will unlock a new era of human creativity we can't even imagine yet? The debate is raging, but one thing is certain: the creative landscape is being redrawn, and we are all living through the most exciting artistic shift in history. The future isn't just coming, it's being generated right now. What do you think? Is AI the end of human creativity, or its greatest new collaborator? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, make sure to subscribe for more.